This question is again taken from JEE Advanced 2018. The problem is from conic sections, so specifically circles. So this is a paragraph based question. It has two parts, and in this session we will solve the first part of it. So you are given a circle and there's a lot of information in the question. You have to comment about these 3 points, E3, F3 and G3. Let us go ahead and solve the question. But before doing that, I would recommend all of you to pause the video at this point and giving this question a try. So let S be the circle in xy plane. Let us take it step by step. So this is your coordinate axis. There is a circle. X square plus y square is equals to 4. So the radius of the circle is 2. So this point is 2 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 2. And there is a point P naught. This is a point P naught 1 comma 1. Let E1, E2 and F1, F2 be the chords of S passing through P naught parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis respectively. There is a chord parallel to x axis E1 and E2 which passes through P naught, and similarly there is a chord F1 and F2 which passes through P naught and parallel to y axis. Now it is given in the question, and there is also a chord G1 G2 which passes through P naught. So G1 G2, this passes through P naught 1 comma 1 and slope is minus 1. So let us find the equation of it. Y minus y1 is equal to slope m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equals to minus x plus 1. So y is equals to minus x plus 2. If you put x is equal to 0 in this, y will be 2. And if you put y is equal to 0, x will be 2. So this chord passes through 3 points. Uh, 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. So this is the chord. This point is G1 and this point is G2. So now we have located E1, E2, F1, F2 and G1, G2. Let us move ahead. Let the tangents to S at E1 and E2 meet at E3. So let us redraw the figure. This is P 1 comma 1. Here you have E1, here you have E2. You draw tangent to the circle at E1 and tangent to the circle at E2. And these two tangents meet at E3 is what is given in the question. If you see, E1 and E2 are at the same height from x-axis because this line E1, E2 is parallel to x-axis, and the distance from this point y-axis to E2 is same as distance from y-axis to E1. So there is a perfect symmetry, and that is why E3 lies on y-axis. So let the coordinates of E3 be 0 comma h. Let us find out these coordinates. Let us find out the coordinates of E2. What is E2? We know the height of E2. The height of E2 is 1. So y coordinate will be 1. Similarly, y coordinate of E1 will also be 1. Let's find out x coordinate. We know x square plus y square is equals to 4. If y is equals to 1, x square is equal to 3. X is equals to plus r minus root 3. So this is root 3 comma 1 and this is minus root 3 comma 1. Okay. Now we have to find out 0 comma h. So let this tangent be L1. Now let us find out slope of L1. To find out slope of L1 at E2, consider the equation of circle. Differentiate the circle. with respect to x. So that will be 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equals to minus x upon y. If you find out d1 by dx at E2, d1 by dx at E2 will be slope of L1. So minus root 3 by 1, that is minus root 3. So the slope is minus root 3. You know the slope of L1 and it also passes through this point. So we can write the equation. Y minus y1 is equals to m slope into x minus x1 is root 3. So y minus 1 is equals to minus root 3x plus root 3 times root 3. That will be 3. So y is equals to 4 minus root 3 x. So and now this point E3 0 comma h lies on this. So substitute x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. So the value of h is 4. So the point E3 is 0 comma 4. Now what we have to do, we have to find out f3 also. So you have a circle here, there is a point f1, f2. So tangents are drawn here and this point is f3. So there is a symmetry here, perfect symmetry. So it is just like that. So you have to follow the same steps, and when you solve it, your f3 will be 4 comma 0. Similar way, f3 will be 4 comma 0. Now let us move ahead. G1 and G2. The tangent to S at G1 and G2 meet at G3. So we have to draw a tangent to S at G1 that will be parallel to x-axis, and the tangent to S at G2 that will be parallel to y-axis. So this point is clearly, x coordinate will be 2 and y coordinate will be this 2. G3 is 2 comma 2. If you observe points E3, F3 and G3, the sum of coordinates is 4. So x plus y is equal to 4. They all lie on this line. So option A is correct. Option A. So to find out f3, you can follow the same steps. You can find out slope at f1 or f2, and then you can find out the equation of the tangents passing through f1 or f2, since you have a point and slope. And in the similar way, you can find out the value of x at which the tangent intersects the x-axis. So